The very idea of starting a brand came up in the year 2000 when I actually realized that I should do something like this. We were invited by BBC in Birmingham, and we were doing a program in which people from India were there, and top actors from India were there, and Sri Lanka and Bangladesh and Pakistan, Maldives and Bhutan, the SAARC countries. So on the big Saturday night, they asked us to wear our traditional dresses. We weren't so prepared for it. The vital signs weren't so prepared for it. And then when but the other countries were, and their artists actually came up, properly dressed in their own dresses. That's when it clicked to me. We had to wear those typical dresses that we wear on the stage, which weren't actually, there was nothing wrong with it, but yet they weren't depicting us looking like somebody from Pakistan. So it came to my mind that, I should have probably prepared something which would have probably suited to the occasion. So this just stayed back in my mind. And when I came back to Pakistan, I started to think about it and started working on it. Tried a few things, failed, and then tried a few things, failed, till I met my present my present partner, Mr. Sohail. And then we got together and we sort of, sat together. There was a thought process behind it. What do we want to achieve? And the idea was to make somebody look glamorous in a shalwar kameez, larger than life. At that particular point, I wouldn't. The one man that I was looking up to, that I used to look up to, was Amir Adnan. He was doing a great job. I used to, if ever I wanted to wear something traditional, I would go straight to his shop. So he was my ideal at that time, in that respect. So we sat together and I said, we'll do something, but it shouldn't look Amir Adnan. So he asked me then, what should it look? I said, look at me. It should look Junaid Jamshed. So he said, why don't we come up with the same name? I started laughing. I said, who's going to wear clothes which are called Junaid Jamshed? So he said, everybody will. We'll do something. And then he started dressing me up, myself and Sohail. And he himself was actually, we were same height. We were same height, and we quite looked like each other. Our age difference is only 13 days. So we were very much like together. वो एक जैसे ही लगते थे हम दोनों. तो वो मुझे कहता था, यार जुनैद भाई wear it, ये पहन के देखें और ये पहन के देखें और ये पहन के देखें. तो मैं वो पहनता था जो मुझ पर अच्छा लगता था. He would say, we'll make this, we'll make this, we'll make this. That's how we just started, doing dresses for males. Or first year was just incredible. Everybody just liked it, and rest is history. I am very, very happy to know this, that I am not actively involved in the brand and I am just a face, but that's not really the case. The thing is, I'll tell you, when we started, though, we used to get the khaddis from, हम करते हैं ना, बुनत करते हैं, वो आपको पता है, वो खड्डियों का जो कपड़ा है, ठीक है ना. So that used to, वो जाके खड्डियाँ खुद उठा के लेकर आए, ले जाके फैक्ट्री में लगाएं, उनको खुद असेंबल किया, and we got some people to do that for us. बैठे उसके ऊपर, एक चीज़ करते थे, फेल होती थी, फिर उसको दोबारा किसी चीज़ को दोबारा करते, we used to do it again, and then something would come up, and we used to say, okay, we'll do this, we won't do this, we'll do this, we'll do it. Those initial periods of 5-6 years, in which I remember, I used to hold the bags of my clothes, and I used to be walking on the streets of different cities in Islamabad and in Karachi and Peshawar, not so much in Karachi, but outside Karachi. where we didn't have any shops, and where nobody knew that we were doing something like this. Myself and Sohail, both of us, we used to be holding our clothes and just checking, going to stores, would you like to keep our clothes? Somebody would just look at me and would think, yaar, bichara masoom, pata nahi kya bana ke liya hai, rakhe na rakhe. Somebody would cooperate and most of the people wouldn't. So those initial days, I remember. अब तो अल्लाह ने फिर बाद में हाथ पकड़ लिया और ब्रांड चल पड़ा, और अब now we have proper प्रोफेशनल मैनेजमेंट जो अब मैनेज करती है. अब मैं और सोहेल एक्टिवली इतने इन्वॉल्व नहीं, इन द सेंस दैट डिजाइन स्टिल गो थ्रू अंडर आवर नोजेस, राइट? वी हैव टू स्टिल सी कि यार, डू वी रियली वांट टू मेक दिस, डू वी डोंट वांट टू मेक दिस, or do we really want to have these cuts under our label, or we don't want to have these cuts under our label? Do we really want to design these clothes or not? We still do it, the two of us. But yes, because now the production is beyond our control. So now professional management does it. Initially, it was my idea. Why? Because we were, as we realized that we were doing well in men, my partner Sohail was a little conservative, thinking that let's just concentrate on men and let's just become the best label in the country as far as men are concerned. There are a few labels who were actually going in that direction. I remember Tanveer Jamshed साहब का जो लेवल था, TJs, मुझे मालूम नहीं वो लेडीज के लिए करते थे. So I don't even remember if he ever did clothing for ladies. But I remembered his label as an exclusively men's label, right? And उसके अलावा भी there were a few labels which I thought that they were only done by men. So we thought that maybe we'll just exclusively go for a men's label. It wasn't a bad idea if we would have only gone in that direction. But मेरे दिल में वो एक ख्वाहिश थी, ये अल्लाह का अल्लाह का शुक्र है, अच्छा कर रहा है. लेकिन unless and until we get into ladies, we will not be able to call ourselves a proper designer group, because जब तक वहां से appreciation नहीं मिलेगी, उस वक्त तक आप अपने आप को internationally एक acclaimed label नहीं बना सकते. I love challenges. My whole life has been a challenge. When I was in music, my family never wanted me to get into music. Coming from a Pathan background, they had a severe problem. Music के बाद जब मैंने दीन सीखना शुरू किया, तो because at that point में सारा माशरा मुझे जानता था, तो मैं एक माशरे के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज बन गया. लेकिन बात यह है कि मर के तो अल्लाह को जान देनी है, सवाल जवाब तो वहां से होने हैं. उस वक्त यहाँ तो किसी को जवाब नहीं देना, ठीक है? बल्कि कुरान में तो ये भी आता है कि अल्लाह पाक फरमाते हैं कि लोग भागेंगे तुम्हारे पास. अगर आप कहोगे ना, या अल्लाह इसने मुझे बोली थी ये बात, तो वो कहेगा मैं नहीं जाना, तो जानता ही नहीं इस आदमी को. ये स्ट्रगल मेरे साथ अगर बड़ी लेवल पर है, तो आप लोगों के साथ भी एक लेवल पर तो है. ये चैलेंज तो हर एक के साथ है. इसीलिए शुक्र है कि इस दुनिया में हमने हमेशा नहीं रहना, एक पॉइंट के बाद यहां से चले जाना. तो चैलेंज है, बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है, ठीक है? और जब आप दीनदारी की लाइन पर चलना शुरू करते हैं, तो ये ऐसे जैसे आपने सफ़ेद कपड़े पहन लिए और सफ़ेद कपड़े पर धब्बा दूर से नजर आता है, आपको थोड़ा केयरफुल होना पड़ता है, ठीक है? और फिर अगर मुआशरे में लोग आपसे मोहब्बत करें, वो एक एडिड जिम्मेदारी आ जाती है आपके ऊपर. तो हमें जुनैद जमशेद में اس بات کا بہت خیال رکھنا پڑتا اپنے برانڈ میں کہ ہم جو چیز ہم دکھا رہے ہیں لوگوں کو، کیا وہ چیز ہم خود بھی پہنیں گے؟ میں جو چیز آپ کو پہنا رہا ہوں، کیا وہ میرے گھر کی ماں بہن بیٹیاں بھی پہنیں گی؟ اس کا بہت خیال رکھنا ہے.